Hello, I'm attorney Mark Weaver with the law firm of Isaac Brandt, Lebon & Teeter here in Columbus, Ohio. I'm going to tell you about a decision that just came out from the Franklin County Court of Common Pleas, Judge Daniel Hogan, involving whether or not teachers' home addresses in Ohio are public records that anyone can access. The case is called Ohio Education Association versus the Ohio State Department of Education. Here's what the facts were. There was a public records request made for the names and home addresses of public school teachers in Ohio, and the State Department of Education was considering releasing them in this public records request. The teachers union, the Ohio Education Association, filed a complaint with the judge saying that they should not be released for citing privacy reasons and other legal issues. Judge Hogan, in this recently issued decision, essentially applied a previous Supreme Court case called State XREL Dispatch Printing Company versus Johnson, where the Supreme Court held that the home addresses of state employees were not a public record. What they said was that because home addresses of state employees are kept for the administrative convenience of the office, they don't really document the work of the public office. Judge Hogan essentially applied that reasoning to the public school teachers' addresses that were held by the Ohio Department of Education. The reason why this is a different ruling than the previous one at the Supreme Court is because some had argued that since the State Department of Education licenses teachers, that the public ought to be able to review the names and addresses of licensees. Judge Hogan did not agree with that rationale, and in fact he issued a permanent injunction so that there will be no release of these addresses. His decision only affects Franklin County, and it probably will not be appealed, but it remains the only law we have on the issue of whether the home addresses of people licensed by a public agency are public record. I do a lot of practice in the area of public records law. If you'd like to consult with me about public records questions, call me. 614-221-2121.